I feel like the best thing you can wear with short hair is confidence, even if you have to be delulu about it. Okay, so we are starting this video with Bae helping me trim my hair. I really needed a shape up because I feel like the more you cut your hair, the quicker it grows for some reason. So this is probably about a month growth, and I just really needed to like taper the sides and the back because I needed it to have that smooth transition to the flatness at the ends. But he did a really good job. I just had him do the sides and the back, and I kept the top the same length. I then just went in and straightened out my front pieces, and that was really it for the trim. Alright, so it is definitely time for a touch-up. Today I'm going to be using the Dark and Lovely relaxer, activator, post-treatment, neutralizing shampoo, moisture mask, cream to put on after the fact. I'm gonna start in the back of my head because I feel like that takes the longest to cook. Alright, so I just finished with washing it and everything. This is what it looks like. I was so scared I was about to be bald, but thank God we're not. Now we can style as needed. I usually like to comb it in the direction I want it styled before I put the mousse on. Nothing too crazy. I've also been wearing it pretty much straight for the past couple of weeks now because I felt like my hair was drying out from putting so much heat on it. So to give it a break, I've just been leaving it straight. I think it still looks good, so I don't mind. This is the mousse I use. Of course, Nairobi is that girl. So that's what we're going in with. And you can literally get this from like Amazon or your beauty supply store, whichever one's easier for you. I'm very heavy with how much products I use for this, like how much mousse I put in there. Of course, the sides. You can always clean your face when you're done. It's so easy styling this, and I do this whole like molding, put in the products and all that like once a week. Because I'm wearing it straight, I don't need to worry about like the curls falling or whatever the case might be. So I just put the product in the one time and let it roll. This I just comb back straight. Nothing crazy. This is probably the most low maintenance way to style a pixie in my opinion. And I look a little silly right now, but trust me, it's gonna look good. And once I mold it, I just let it dry overnight or, you know, a couple hours. If you have a dryer at home, you can also just go in with that and sit under it for a little bit. Can already feel it drying. Then just go in with my do-rag. I'll get the job done. I'm just gonna put this on first because the do-rag likes to dent it for some reason. So we're just gonna do a little something like this. Anywho, so I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit, and I'm looking like a very dashing young man at the moment, even though this makes me feel a little. But once it's dry, all I have to do is literally just comb it out and we're done. And then I can have this style for the rest of the week without having to touch it up again until like the following Sunday. Because I typically would do this like Saturday nights for church on Sunday, and that carries me throughout the rest of the week. So we'll be right back. So it's been maybe an hour, I'm not sure, but I thought we could take it off now. This is why I usually like to do this at night, because I could just go to sleep. But when I don't like having this thing on like during the day. Oh, I can feel a dent. I'm scared now. It's not terrible. What I like to do is comb it out, because I don't want it just sitting flat on my head like that. It still feels a little damp in the back, but it feels good. Just like dry and damp. But that's pretty much it for the look for now. I'm going to show you guys like once I have my makeup on, because I feel like with hair, especially short hair, at first you need to see the full look together. Makeup, face beat, earrings, your dress, and just see what the full vibe is for you to really, really like it, at least for me. We are done with the hair. Isn't she cute? Isn't she lovely? This is the final look. I had it for about like a full day now, I want to say. I actually like went to work with it styled like this. I put the moisturizer that came in the relaxer box, and I have to say my hair actually feels like moisturized and soft. It doesn't feel dry and flaky like it's been feeling from when I would like curl it all the time. Leaving it straight has just been saving my hair, probably because it was the way it was flaking was not okay at all. Let me show you the back. Is she not giving? Is she not giving? She's giving. Absolutely giving. Right, Autumn? You like my hair? This is the final look, and when I go to bed, I just go in with my little do-rag and call it a day. So this is what they're calling, it's the Bow Wow do-rag, I guess. And she just goes on like that. And you can Velcro it back and leave it down like this, which I typically would. Or you can do it double time and you just have it like this and go to bed. On nights where I don't feel like wearing this and I really want it like molded, I go in with the regular do-rag, but this is my favorite one to sleep with because it gives me the least headache. But this is the final look. I love her. She looks cute. She's giving. She's that girl. And I feel like it's very easy to feel very like masculine with short hair, especially also like depending if one you have makeup on, what outfit you're wearing. It took some getting adjusted to. This is not my first or second time cutting my hair, to be fair, but I just always feel like every time I'd cut my hair I always felt like I couldn't wear certain outfits or it didn't go with certain looks. This time around I feel like I'm eating up every look, like short hair or not, whatever outfit I want to wear, best believe I'm wearing it and we're rocking her. I feel like the biggest thing you can wear with short hair is confidence. Even if you have to like be delulu about it, fake it till you make it, as long as you feel confident in your hair, giving you have the right head shape for it, please. Or you at least style it in a way to like shape your head. I feel like even if you don't have the head for it, you can shape it in a way to like complement your head shape. So moving on. Wear it with confidence. That's the key. But yeah, I'm done with my little like pep talk. This is her. She's cute or whatever. We love her here. And my man loves her here.